Everyone, how are you? I hope you're well, and I hope that you've had a nice week, enjoying this sunshine. I'm feeling very hot, so my hair has gone up, as you can see, because it is really, really quite warm. Um, I hope you had a restful evening yesterday, and I hope you're ready to do some more maths. We're still sticking with time. I know I've been doing it for a few weeks now, but it's really important that we get all that time knowledge deeply embedded into your brains. Okay, so let's make a start on our lesson. Minimize me. So I've moved myself across here. So today is the 21st of May 2020. It's a Thursday, and our LI is to convert minutes into hours, which you will probably remember was the same LI as yesterday, spending another day, just recapping and cementing that knowledge into our minds. As always, you will need a pencil, paper, and a ruler. So make sure you have that ready, and we're going to get started. Okay, so our number talk. So it says write in hours and minutes, 285 minutes. So you've got a little chart here to help you. Just pause the video and write down what 285 minutes would be in hours and in minutes. Pause the video and off you go. Right, so how you could use a chart to help you. So if you look at this, it says 285 minutes. If you look at our chart, 240 minutes is quite important. So yes, it is definitely 4 hours something, but it's not larger than 300 minutes. So these minutes here are 4 hours and something, and it's actually the number's too small to even hit 5 hours. So if 4 hours are 240 minutes, we take that away from 285 minutes, we're left with 45 minutes. So 285 minutes is the same as 4 hours and 45 minutes. If you got that right, well done. Good job. Let's move on. So our key vocabulary is the same as yesterday because we're covering the same similar sort of material and just adding more onto it. So it's hours, minutes, 60, fives, intervals, and number line. Right, so 2 sentences, missing words. What are the missing words? Pause the video and fill in the missing words. Off you go. So 60 minutes is the same as 1 hour, and there are 12 5-minute intervals in 1 minute. And you'll remember that number line I showed you from 0 to 60 with the equal intervals, 12 intervals, and you were saying that each interval is 5 minutes. Right, so how to convert minutes into hours. Just before I show you or tell you, just try and remember what number sentence we used to convert minutes into hours. So we divided the number of minutes by 60 to work out how many hours it was equivalent to. Good. So here's our example. So how to convert minutes into hours. Convert 120 minutes into hours with the knowledge that 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So 120, which is the number of minutes, divided by 60 equals 2. So in our part-whole model here, 120 minutes is similar to or equal to 2 hours, and there are no remaining minutes. So try this one, please. So you should remember from yesterday, 240 divided by 60 is 4. So 240 is the same as 4 hours. And in our part-whole model here, we can put the number 4 for minutes, 0, and that is the answer. Good. 70 minutes, and you'll remember this requires a partition of the number into hours and minutes. So 70 minutes is the same as what? Pause the video and fill in the part-whole model. So what you would do is you would divide 70 by 60, and 60 goes from 70 once. That's 1 hour. and then there are how many minutes left? 10. So 70 minutes is the same as 1 hour and 10 minutes. Good job. 130 minutes is equivalent to what? Pause the video, have a go. So 130 minutes is equivalent to 2 hours and 10 minutes. So well done if you got that right. Okay, right, so we're going to move on. And here we go. And I know this has been quite a short lesson, but the point of today's lesson really is to just consolidate and recap on your name from yesterday. And I've set you some more tasks for you to do just to make sure you really understand the concept of hours and minutes, because next week we're doing some more work. Or not next week's half term, the week after that, we're doing some more work on time, but trying to work out time differences. So it's really important we spend some time this week really trying to understand the difference between seconds, minutes, and hours. So time has now come to complete your tasks. Don't forget to take a photograph of your task and email it to us at year3@grange.harrow.sch.uk, and we can pick up your work and see how you guys are getting on. Now, you're going to ask me where you'll find your work, and it's the same place as always. From the Grange website, you click onto the online learning tab, you click onto year 3, and then you will click on to, you'll see the maths task there, and today's task will be math tasks 21.05.2020. And when you click onto that, you'll come up with this document. I'll just move myself out of the way. And the task 1 is to convert the following into hours. So you have a series of minutes here, and you need to convert them into hours. Asking you to spot patterns in set A and set B, which is similar to what you did yesterday. And task 3 is Stefania wants to fly from London to Spain. She wants the quickest travel time. Can you explain which flight she would catch? This is similar to yesterday, but a different scenario. Okay, so you need to work out the time difference and tell me which flight would be quicker for her. Let me go back to our main smartboard. Okay, we're here, and for today, I haven't got a challenge for those of you who want to do some extra work. For everyone really, just towards the end of your lesson, I would like you to look through the last 2 or 3 weeks learning that we've been doing on time, just to remember how to tell the time, how to read the clock, the digital clock and the analog clock, looking at 12 and 24-hour time, and also looking at how to convert between seconds and minutes and hours, because all of those skills are going to be used for tomorrow's lesson, because tomorrow we're looking at word problems. So what that lesson is going to be asking you to do is trying to get all that knowledge in your head and apply it to different circumstances. So if all of you could look through your maths work, recap, refresh your memories, and we will do some exciting word problems tomorrow. Have a great evening, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.